I booked the cheapest room on the Laughlin Strip. This should be very interesting. Hi everybody, welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Amy and I'm a Tangerine, and I'm doing a whole series on Laughlin, Nevada, every casino resort that you can find here. And tonight we are staying at the new Pioneer Gambling Hall. And this is consistently the cheapest place that you can stay in Laughlin on the Strip. And excuse the noise, there's an air conditioner right here. Y'all, I'm not turning this puppy off. I'm not turning it off. It is 120 degrees today. So that's fun. The specs on this room, I paid $47 all in. We are talking taxes, everything. There's no parking fee, there's no resort fee, and I purposely chose the cheapest room here. I didn't get a Riverview room because I wanted the experience. So I can show you guys what it's like if you want to go do Laughlin on the cheap. So let's go check this place out. This is either going to be really awesome or a total disaster. There's going to be 0, 0, 0, 0 middle ground. We are going to do a room tour first because its check-in time was 4 p.m. and the beach access closes at 7 o'clock, and that's what I want to do. I want to get in that Colorado River because it is hot as all get out. That is my purpose in life right now. So I'm going to do the room tour first. We're going to go down to the Colorado River, and then I'm going to show you around everything that is available here. This is right outside my room here. I've already been inside, obviously, but I want to give you the whole look here. This casino resort is more motel style. And I'm on the second floor here. And I'm pretty close to the front desk here. That's where all the activities are. That's where all the slots are, the food, everything is right there. So I kind of like that. Y'all, who would drive one of these things? Who would drive a Kia Soul? That's my new car! Say hello to the newest member of the family. That's Trooper. She's a stormtrooper. I used to have, in Florida, I had a black Kia Soul, and I named her Darth Vader, and now I have bought a Stormtrooper, and I adore her. And this is her first YouTube video. This is our room here, room 205. And here is the room here. This is like as basic as you can get. I did not get a suite. I did not get a Riverview room. Basic room. Again, this was $47 all in, including taxes and everything. Air conditioner, much needed. It's got a little chair right here, and then you got two, I think these are queen beds, either queen or double, I'm not sure. Very large dresser. The thing that bothered me is there is no mini fridge. Luckily, I brought like a little cooler with some water, but I really want to put that in the fridge, but it is what it is. Nightstand, scones, you know, basic. We have a really nice large closet area if you have a lot of kids and a lot of clothes, and a little luggage rack thingy. Very basic bathroom situation. I do like the lighting. The lighting is not bad, and there is the bath. Ooh, why is that so dark? Kind of scary. I don't want to turn on the light. I don't want to know if it's bad. I don't want to know. We're just going to move on from that. Looking back at the room here. Again, this is not the Ritz-Carlton. This Tangerine is bougie, so I brought my own Bath & Body Works. Alright, first impressions, I don't really care. I am going to the river. My daughter is going to come visit. Hopefully she'll go swimming with us. She refuses to spend the night here because she's a little bougie. She says it's because the cats can't be left alone. And let's be honest, they are little snowflakes. But I bet if I was staying at the Aquarius, she would be here. But she will be joining us down the river. So let's go check that out. I'm so excited about it. Ever since I did a video, and I'll link it up above, I did a video where I went to every casino on the Laughlin Strip, and this is the one that I was like most excited to go to because of that river access. So yay, today is our day. Let's go. There's a close-up of my girl. On our way to the beach access, there is the Colorado Bell. And there's the iconic symbol of the new Pioneer. They do have charging for Teslas if you don't have a sweet soul like I do. Feels weird to not be showing you guys around first, but I want to get down to that beach before it closes. That's the casino. I mean, like, amazing, right? The Colorado River is just... It's stunning. This is why Laughlin, in my humble opinion, is so much better than Vegas. I got lost because I'm a tourist, but I got my beach chair, and love is good. It's got a certain charm to it, doesn't it? This looks really cool at night when it's all lit up too. There are those riverfront suites and rooms where you can just come right out and you're right on the water here. Alright, here's the beach access. Shoot, I forgot to bring my daughter's wristband. I'm gonna have to go back to the room when she gets here. I did have to use my room key to get this open. Alright, we have secured a position. Look at this, you all! We are standing in the Colorado River, y'all, and it feels glorious. For breakfast in the morning. She's going to drive out here and meet us for breakfast. She has been working so much, so she's too tired. Wah, wah. Now that is a successful day. That right there, successful day. All right, last one off the beach is a rotten egg. That is us. That was amazing. That was amazing. I was on the phone with my daughter, and a dust devil came along and went right to the water and took my bag with my camera in it and threw it. And I was on the phone with my daughter, so I didn't get it on film, but I've never been in a dust devil before. So okay, maybe I get excited about the dumbest thing, but that was really cool. And then I was sitting there just watching the jet skis and the boats, and these fish were coming out of the water hopping. don't even care what the rest of the stay is like. This has been amazing. We are back out into the wild here, and what's really nice about this location here is like I'm right by the front desk here. And for wayfinding, there's the Golden Nugget right there. Love that resort. And there is the main Laughlin Strip. The Pioneer Hotel and Gambling Hall. This used to be called the Colorado Club back in the day when it opened, and it's got this cool Western theme that I really like. Really easy to walk over to the Golden Nugget if you want to go to like Bubba Gump's or the steakhouse over there. Lots of options for you. Looking back at the Tropicana, the Twin Towers over there. Across the street, I've heard there's a really good sushi restaurant. If you're into sushi, quick to walk over there and eat there. Happy, how are you? Looking good? Got he's got a crisp $100 bill. That wasn't me, I promise. There's the front desk where you check in at. And there is a small country store that has like snacks and stuff in it. We just missed it. It just closed. Very old-fashioned type of casino here. That's funny. And they have a sports book section here. And they do have a lot of new machines also. Bar here right on the water. Look at that sunset, you all. Is this not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Wow. The sunset is where it's at. There are lights on in the Colorado Bell. I would give anything to go in there and check that place out. Here is a nice doggy area. They do allow you to bring dogs here. No cats, but you are allowed to bring dogs at this casino resort. Look at how the sun hits the mountains. Isn't that beautiful? Here's the backside of the new Pioneer. They're playing music here by the Ski-Doos. Lots of fun. Back in the air conditioning. Here is the main restaurant, Bumbleberry Flats. Can't wait to eat breakfast here. Ooh, they also have a pizzeria and ice cream. Hello! As much as I would love pizza or ice cream, death to my stomach because I have gastroparesis. Let's go gamble. Let's find something to win on. They don't have Wonder Woman, so let's go with Attack of the Planet Moolah. That's kind of fun. It's kind of a fun little game. Alright, we will not be gambling at the new Pioneer again, because this is literally it took me 1 minute to get down to 35 cents. Okay, I lied. This reopened, so it is open until midnight. I went in and I got a magnet, because it's like tradition for me to have a magnet for my fridge to remember every resort that I tour. Look at this. Beautiful. If the boat docks a rockin', don't come a knockin'. It got dark. Wow, look at the Tropicana at night. Phew. I walked over to the Colorado Bell, which is right next to our resort, just to check it out all lit up at night. And then really easily you can go right down the strip here and go to Edgewater and Aquarius, and I can even see Riverside peeking out there. Excuse me, sir. I would like to speak to you about your car warranty. All right, we are back in the room for the night, and the only downfall I would say for this resort is there's not a lot to do. Like at Riverside, you can see a movie, you can go bowling, lots more slots. It's more. So you're definitely compromising on that if you come here. I will let you all know how tonight goes, whether the beds are comfortable, the shower, all that, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning from lovely Laughlin, Nevada. I did not sleep at all, but that is not the fault of the new Pioneer. That is the fault of me because I didn't eat dinner. So I woke up at like 3 a.m. with a massive headache. Like, I know better. I don't know why I did that. So I cannot wait for the restaurant to open at 8. My daughter is on the way here because she never turns down a free meal. Do any of our children ever turn down a free meal? Probably not. And we're gonna eat breakfast and then we're gonna go back on the Colorado River. The room was fine, shower fine, everything fine. Is it the Ritz-Carlton? Absolutely not. But truly comfortable stay. Just maybe eat dinner. Maybe do that. It's an absolutely glorious morning in Laughlin, Nevada. Trooper survived the night, and that's all that matters. And there she is. Get them with free food every time. All right, that is a very expensive vehicle, right? Am I right? And it did just fine at the new Pioneer. Look at how beautiful this is, y'all. There's people kayaking. That would be so fun. Really, really nice in here. This is a beautiful restaurant. The menu. It's breakfast time. And we got a table facing the Colorado River. And there's the buffet area that's only on the weekends. Look at this goodness, y'all. Wow. Happy 4th of July, everybody. This is called the Triple B. It's bacon, blueberries, and banana. And she got like a breakfast. Build your own breakfast. Phenomenal. That tastes, the bacon is like right on top. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is the second beach access area, and it is a glorious day in Laughlin, Nevada. It's so pretty. Better look at the pool this morning without a ton of people in it. My gosh. Honey's from heaven, y'all. All right, that'll do it for today's video. I had an amazing time at the new Pioneer. The highlights for me, definitely the Colorado River. The pool was really nice and the staff here is phenomenal. Spending time with my daughter, priceless. Yeah, I would totally come here again. And on the next video, my daughter and I will be going into Las Vegas for a resort there, and then we will return to our Laughlin series. So thank you so much for watching, everybody, and until we meet again, my friends, bye. And it's been fun. Let's do the new Pioneer again. Someone just walked by the window and we made eye contact. Hi! I'm just filming myself in the room. Nothing weird about that at all. What his problem was. Awkward!